Today we'll talk about how can you select timer on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then you come to next CPU, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on timer here. So you come to next CPU and here can you select your timer in this list. So here choose Boomplay when the timer ends. Can you select it here? So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.